Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering on and signing in. Keep the charger connected to avoid dimming. Next, locate the brightness controls, usually an F key with a sun icon, sometimes requiring the FN key. If pressing them does nothing, check function key behavior in BIOS or Windows Mobility Center, because some Dell models use FN lock or alternate functions. Once located, you're ready to change brightness quickly and safely, and you'll understand why mode settings affect those physical keys. You now perform the adjustment. Press FN plus the brightness key if your laptop needs it, otherwise press the single F key. Tap briefly to nudge brightness by small steps. Hold the key to change continuously. That prevents overshooting. Make changes while watching the screen and room light because your eyes adapt slowly and you may set it too bright or too dim. Also, check if an ambient light sensor is active. It can override manual tweaks, so disable it if you want full control. Finish by choosing a comfortable final level and test it across a web page, video, and document because different content can appear brighter or darker. If brightness jumps around, disable adaptive or ambient brightness in Windows display settings. That stops automatic changes. Should the keys still fail, update the Dell hotkey and display drivers, and as a fallback, use the Settings System display slider. If nothing works, reboot into BIOS to confirm function key mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.